doing shit but defending myself.
Now what you about to do, nigga? Now you wanna smack me in the face.
I didn't touch you.
Cause you wanna come over here.
I'm trying to tell you that you're on the subway.
So what do you wanna do, nigga?
I'm gonna stand right here. I'm gonna stand right here.
Left and you just came over here and smacked me in the face.
Did I smack you in the face? Did anyone see me smack him in the face?
You just touched me.
I did not smack you in the face. I'm standing on the subway like everybody else.
If you want, we'll call the cops for you.
I think you should just sit down.
Look for a place to sleep.
I don't give a fuck about cops. I just came home. 25 to life. I killed my moms and dad, nigga.
Are you proud of that? Are you proud of that?
I am.
Okay, well, congratulations. Good for you.
Get rid of you right now. Right now. In front of everybody, I'll blow your face off right now.
Does it make you a man?
I'll blow your face off right now,
nigga.
Let's get it shaking, boy. Let's get it shaking, boy.
I'm ready anytime, man.
Take him out. Take him out. You want to call the cops? You want the cops?
I'll call the cops. Call the cops. Cops! Cops!
I got 100 witnesses here saying you just threatened this old man right here. Telling him that if he touches you, you're gonna fuck him.
Exactly.
This is a subway. We all touch each other. He didn't try to do anything
good,
mean
nigga.
to you.
You look good. You look good. I'll fuck you right now, nigga.
I don't like that. You're gonna not say that to me anymore. You hear me?
Now what you gonna do? What you gonna do?
I'm just telling you.
What you gonna do?
That you're gonna stop. You're gonna stop.
What you gonna do?
Are you trying to threaten him?
I'm telling you, you ain't fucking me. That's what I'm telling you. You ain't fucking nobody with me standing right here. That's what's happening. You ain't fucking nobody. You might masturbate the fuck off, but you ain't fucking nobody.
You look great. I'm gay. You look great.
I don't care if you're gay. You can be gay.
Now, gangster.
Good. Everybody knows you're gangster now, so why don't you sit the fuck down and shut the fuck up so we can all enjoy our ride home.
Boy.
Where's the alarm? Where's the alarm?
Stop, you get it.
I'm gonna stay here till you get home so that these people aren't bothered by my little door.
Coney Island.
All right.
Coney Island. Make sure I have hit it on that peanut bread, boy. We right here, boy.